Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing Stashable Fidget toy set. And in the back it has like a little treasure map. Now I'm going to open it. So many stuff. Green. It's so stretchy. So this is all the stuff it came with, and I'm going to be opening each of one of these and showing you a preview of what it does. This is a Rubik's Cube. It kind of got damaged. It came with 5 squishy spiky balls. It came with a snake cube. Pretty cool. They came with a Snape snake. They came with the T-Rex squish ball. It came with the spiky stretch ball. There are 3 stretchy noodles. You just play with them, stretch them around. Colorful stress ball. Magic cube. Peekaboo squeeze bean. This is a mesh ball. Marble mesh. And 3 squishy animals. Magic rainbow ball puzzle. And you have to get each ball in its color. Fidget controller. Yeah, so this is some of the cool stuff it came with. Please like and subscribe. Bye!